Okay, then depreciation entry now. In SAP, this is the general depreciation entry. But in SAP, we will post this entry in SAP.
Accumulated depreciation.
Okay. Yeah. So we have a depreciation account in SAP, and we are going to post like this. And what is the importance of this? That we understand. Accumulated depreciation. What is accumulated depreciation? This is the topic. I explain the accumulated depreciation topic. Then how we are representing accumulated depreciation in the balance sheet. Like this we should. This is 2024, this is 2023, this is current year, this is last.
Mm.
We compare like this. Same way, this is with accumulated depreciation. Suppose if accumulated depreciation account we are not using, then this is the way we will see, and it is not good. You cannot get any information here. Okay. Yeah. So here you cannot see how much assets have been purchased this year, how much depreciation has been posted this year. You cannot. You cannot say. Yeah. You can compare both of them and see. This, when you have accumulated depreciation, lot of clarity is correct. That is the advantage of the accumulated depreciation. So here we show the asset side using acquisition values, correct? And then accumulated depreciation we show separately, opposite side. Okay, right. Now next we are going to talk about the depreciation areas. Okay, what is this? We need to understand. Some people join late, just one.
Mm.
Okay, now depreciation areas. Yeah, so we use depreciation areas. We use depreciation areas to depreciate the same asset in multiple ways. Okay, means what? See, suppose there is one plant and machinery is there. Okay, now plant and machinery is there, and then the life of the plant and machinery is 10 years. So the depreciation rate is 10% per year over the 10 years. Correct. So now this depreciation is a topic which can be misused. No? So depreciation can be misused to misrepresent, no? To manipulate your account. Depreciation is one such topic which can be used to manipulate your accounts. How, guys? How do I manipulate? How can I manipulate? You know manipulation.
Yes. So
How can I use depreciation to manipulate my accounts?
by showing more depreciation so that my profits will decrease.
Decrease. Correct. So I can charge 100% depreciation this year only. Lot of expense, depreciation expense. And then say my profit is less, so I will pay tax less. No? Correct. Okay. Other way around is opposite side. Suppose if I want a bank loan, if I want a bank loan, I want to show more profits. Correct. So I can misrepresent my accounts to the bank. No? So I'll say no depreciation this year. Absolutely no depreciation. Then my profits will rise. No? Yeah. Then I can misrepresent to the banks, pull them around, get the loan, right? Yeah. So depreciation is something that can be misused to manipulate your account. Agree? Yeah.
Yes.
So now Now government comes in. Na? If you allow like this, then nobody will pay tax, right? Yeah. So government pitches in and says, no, you cannot do depreciation whatever you want. You have to follow something we call it as a tax depreciation. What is tax depreciation? Where the government comes in and says this asset can be depreciated like this only. You understand? So every asset it has got a pre-decided, rules. This have to this has to be depreciated like this only. That is what is the tax depreciation. Is that clear? So you have to depreciate according to the tax depreciation. Is that clear? So your financial, whenever you are paying tax, financial reporting is done based on the tax depreciation. Okay, good. So now the government says it's plant and machinery. So see, the government decided that there is one plant and machinery. Government decided that it is life is 10 years. Its life is 10 years. If we use it for the life of this plant and machinery is 10 years. If we use 8 hours per day. Okay. So government decided there is one plant and machinery. Government decided that in general norms, if you use it 8 hours per day, the life of the asset will be 10 years. So the depreciation will be 10%, 10% per year as per tax depreciation. So government allowing you how much depreciation, guys?
10%.
On this plant and machinery, correct? But in your company, in your company, you are we are using the asset. We have two shifts. Kada? We are using the plant and machinery. We are using the same plant and machinery. We are using for 16 hours per day. Okay, we have two shifts. Understand? We have two shifts. We are using from 6 to 2, 2 to 10. So how many hours we are using?
16
16 hours
hours.
we are using. Now you tell me, if I use 16 hours per day, will the asset survive for 10 years?
No, 5
No. So
years
it will
only.
survive for only 5 years. So then what will be my rate of depreciation?
20.
20% per year. Correct. Now per year. So now will the government allow me to deduct this 20%?
No.
No.
Can I send them my CCTV now? Please watch my CCTV. Yeah, full year CCTV I'm sending you. You watch it and give me 20%. Will it give?
No, sir.
Can we do that? No.
Mm.
So in our company we are using in hours per day. So we should be ready to replace the asset. We have to replace the asset after how many years?
5 years.
5 years. But government not allowing. Government allowing only 10%. So that's why we have one more depreciation area, that is book depreciation. Correct? So in book depreciation area, how much I will maintain? I will maintain 20% rate of depreciation. That will allow me to replace the asset after 5 years. Whereas tax depreciation, I'm allowed only 10%. So same asset, same plant and machinery, same understand like this, same plant and machinery, I am depreciating, right? I'm depreciating in book depreciation area. In book depreciation area, how much depreciation I am doing?
20%.
20% I am. The background, this is our depreciation. Yeah. In tax depreciation area,
10% as per government.
as per the. So same asset. So after 1 year, what will happen? After suppose this asset, plant and machinery value is rupees 1 lakh. Okay. So then after 1 year, what will happen, guys? After 1 year, my net book values, na? Net
Yes.
book values. Yeah. In book depreciation will be how much now?
80,000.
This will be 80,000. Correct. This will
Yes.
be
90,000.
90. Understand? So same as that I am depreciating in multiple ways. Correct? Yeah. For reporting, financial reporting and taxation, I am using tax depreciation. For asset replacement and all, we are using book depreciation. Correct? So same way we can maintain in SAP, we can maintain 99. How many? We can maintain 99 depreciation areas. So many you can maintain. You can maintain something like a cost depreciation also. Okay, cost depreciation area. Okay, which means what? You will collect the data. Like, I'm using one day I'm using 3 hours. One day I'm using 6 hours. One day I'm using 8 hours. Like that, I will collect the data. According to my usage, I depreciate. That is cost depreciation area. You understand? Like this, you can maintain how many depreciation areas per asset? Per asset
99.
99 you can. So everybody understood what is a depreciation area? Okay, no, no. The same asset can be depreciated in multiple ways. Okay, right. No, no. Yeah. Okay, no done, guys.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Next, we are talking about configuration. Okay, put the heading asset accounting
Minutes
configuration.
go. We take a screenshot.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. So now asset accounting configuration. Okay, first. So we in first step we have three steps. One is 1B, 1C. Copy depreciation area. Copy standard depreciation area. Depreciation area. Depreciation. Copy standard. Sorry. Copy standard chart of depreciation for India and create your own chart of depreciation. You cannot create a chart of depreciation, guys. You have to copy only. Okay. Oh. So the T code is, you have to go by path. I will show you better. Go by path. Okay. So we have to go. ORF is the not direct T code, but we can go by ORF. Okay. Go to ORFA. Slash ORF. Okay. Actually, you can come here through SPRO also. You can go to SPRO, reference IMG. Then you go to financial accounting. Then you go to asset accounting. That's how you come here. Okay. Asset accounting, directly you can use slash and ORFA. It will come there. Okay. Now here we are going to organization structure. And here copy reference chart of depreciation. Note down. So country-wise SAP provided. Country-wise SAP provided the reference chart of depreciation from which you can copy.
Sir, once show the path, sir.
Yeah. So from SPRO.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Any
Right.
T code, sir?
There is a ORFA is there. ORFA.
Or FE?
FA I have given here. No? ORFA.
Or FE?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now go to define reference, copy reference chart of depreciation. Click on this. And this is 1A. Na? Top one is 1A. 1B. 1.
See,
All the three we will do. Okay. Yeah. So 1A is copy reference chart of depreciation.
depreciation.
Okay. Double click on this one. Double click on this one. Then you click on the copy button. Copy as. Copy as.
Sir, after double click, we need to copy as.
Yeah, just double click. Then you
Okay.
click on copy as. Okay, copy. Copy. From standard we will copy India. Where is India here? Is 1IN. You copy from 1IN. You copy from 1IN. Okay. So click on this. One IN I copy, two chart of depreciation is what?
Jacob.
To my name, na? ZAPL or whatever I can give. Na? Okay. So chart of depreciation also I'm using ZAPL. Okay, press enter. Press enter. Again press enter. It will copy. So whatever is in the standard chart of depreciation, it will copy. So today I will start a new request. Na? Which topic we are starting today?
Set
Asset
accounting.
accounting. Na?
Okay.
So we create a new request, asset accounting, save it in. Okay. Right. Good. So I copied this. So what is my chart of depreciation now?
JDPL.
ZAP. That's it. You copied standard and created your own. Okay. So when you go back now, you have this. First one is complete. Okay. Good. How many of you are practicing daily, guys? Or how
Yes,
many of?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Up to date. Everybody is up to date.
Yes, yes, sir.
Huh. So any backlogs are there, you can do that later. First focus on asset account. Yeah. Yes, ma? Okay.
Sir, in GST, I have posted one error, sir. No one is responding. Like the tax code is not taken, sir, for output customer invoice.
Tax code is
It is not taking, sir. System is not taking. I have posted in Microsoft group, sir, like in Telegram group.
okay. Okay, what has happened? What is your error?
Like I'm giving O6, sir, output IGST interpayable, like for a customer invoice. There is no tax calculated at the last step. When I'm simulating it, I could not see the tax is getting calculated. Tax is not getting calculated, sir.
So tax code you have given correctly?
Yes, sir. I have checked in tax code like procedure and condition key and everything. I have checked. In that, it is showing the 5%.
Okay, did you take a calculate tax and all?
Yes, sir. On net amount, calculate tax and
No,
also
no, no,
editing
no.
cost.
In the invoice when you are posting FB70
Yes, sir. I have selected calculate tax also.
tax also. Okay, what is your company code?
SSBC, sir.
SSPC. Okay, tax procedure?
Tax 365, sir.
Tax 365. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the problem is not in FB60. The problem is in FB70.
Yes, sir. FB70, sir.
Okay, so check in your sales account. No?
Yes, sir. I have
Because
selected that posting post tax without one option will be there as
so star mark also you put.
Yes, sir, I have entered that. Lab coordinator have checked, but she's not understand why this error is coming. She told to ask you, sir. Yesterday I have posted like morning lab coordinator Venkateswar sir and all. No one responded.
Well, he didn't
But
understand
like
you are saying.
understand.
No? Okay, so this one star
Yes,
is
sir.
there for you.
Yes, sir. I have selected. Everything is there, sir, but it is not taken.
Okay, let me have a look. Okay, what is your user ID?
25602, sir.
2560. Okay, let me have a look.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so ORFA we are doing, we copied and created, right? Next. Step number 2 is 1B. 1B is specify description of the chart of depreciation. So this is very simple. Okay, write down. Specify description of the chart of depreciation. Specify description of chart of depreciation. Okay, chart of depreciation. This is very simple. Just the name you are changing. Okay. So now you click on this. You copied and created. No? You created what? ZAPL, right?
Okay.
So still it is saying sample chart of depreciation, right? Yeah, it is not sample, no? So I need to
Sir,
change it.
this is after clicking on second line, sir.
Yeah, after clicking on the second line. Okay. So here, what you do? Second line, no? First line I completed. Second line I click. Then I position myself ZAPL. Then ZAPL, I am giving my chart of depreciation. For which company code I created? ZAPL I created. So you can identify now what is yours. Correct? Yeah, that's why
Yes.
change the description. Otherwise, you'll get confused. Okay. So change the description to chart of depreciation ZAPL. Yeah. Save it. And next 1C. What is 1C? Copy, delete depreciation areas. Copy, delete depreciation areas. Delete or just delete. No? We have already delete depreciation areas. Areas not required. What you don't want, no? You don't want to use them, right? So just you delete them because we copied unnecessary depreciation areas will be there, guys. So we don't want all of them, right? Okay, so give your chart of depreciation, press enter. And then here many are there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put book depreciation, tax depreciation, other things I'm going to just get rid of. Yeah, select like this, select all these, and then what I do, delete.
Okay.
Okay, save.
Sir, 1 second.
Yeah. So here, third one, delete depreciation areas. Yeah. So click on this, delete depreciation areas. Give your chart of depreciation, press enter, and then what you do, you select what you don't want. No? So I don't want all this. I don't want cost depreciation and all this. I don't want. Select all of them and then do what? Delete and save it. Is that clear? That's it. So when you press enter, they will be removed. So how many depreciation areas I have?
2.
Two depreciation. Okay. Right. So 1A, 1B, 1C. No? 1A is first copy. 1B is change the name. Third one, delete depreciation areas not required. So all are 1A, 1B, 1. Good. Okay. Next. Then I am going to step number 2. Step number 2. No, no. Assign input tax indicator. Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Non-taxable acquisitions. Okay, go now. Close this. Here you close this. You go to close this. Go to integration with general ledger. And here this is the step I am talking about. Integration with general ledger and assign input tax indicator with to non-taxable acquisitions. Click on. See, I want 100% practice here, guys. Yeah, asset accounting. I want everybody to do this practice. Okay. Yeah, from here onwards, our winning game starts. What do I mean by that? So everybody who joins FICO course, they will definitely do GL. Not only our institute, anywhere. Little bit of GL they do. AP they do. And AR onwards, slightly lagging. They will get tired. And asset accounting is where they don't. And that's where you have to pick up. Okay. So this is your, from here onwards, your winning edge, na? The difference between other candidates and you will come into picture. Correct? Yeah. See, when we play, we don't want to play losing game, no? Correct? You want that winning edge to get the job. From here onwards, your edge will start. And this is fresh also. You can start fresh. All of you, if you have 21 steps ready, you can start with asset account. Okay, now click on this asset as an input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Click on this. So when you are buying anything, na, you have to pay the tax. Na? Yeah, whether it is asset or anything, you have seen. You have to pay the tax, right? Input tax. But sometimes when you are buying something, some assets, there is no tax on it. That's where this problem will come. So here, what is your company code? Your company code ZF. So input tax indicator. What is our indicator for
Z1.
I0? Na? This one, right?
Awesome.
Input tax indicator for non-taxable. Non-taxable means zero tax. Got it? Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Give I0.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
Martin.
Sir, in FS00 for the GL accounts, we gave that option, sir. If we do not want to post the invoices without tax, also we can allow. We had tick that option, right?
Yeah, correct.
In FS,
For
yeah.
transactions, not for asset
Yes,
purchase.
yes. So yesterday while posting FB60 and sales scenario for the BRS, when I posted the FB60 invoice, uh, I
Seven
with
zero.
yeah, no 60 for purchases. Sorry,
Okay.
purchase. So uh, without giving the tax, I was unable to save the invoice, sir.
No, no, only yellow warning will come. Huh?
Yes, a yellow warning, but I was unable to save it even though it was yellow warning. After I give it as I0, it got saved. Zero tax.
No, no, yellow warning. You have to press enter.
I have done, sir, pressed enter 2-3 times, but it did not got saved.
So
After
what yellow
giving
warning you are getting? What yellow warning you are getting?
this GL account is tax.
Relevant.
Yes.
So you need to do in your expense account. What is your company code? Yeah, here, whatever is your expense account, na, you go to that expense, whatever you are giving, and then we also tick this one. Na.
Yes, we have picked this.
Maybe you have given this you have not ticked.
Both I have given, sir. I have
So yellow
seen.
warning will be yellow only, ma. You just have to press enter, move on. Correct? So it will, you
Yes.
don't have to give the tax there. Just press enter. If you give this, then it will not force you to give. Okay? Yeah.
Yes.
So don't give the tax code. Just yellow warning will come. Press enter and it will permit. Okay?
I have done it twice, thrice, but it did not got saved. That's the reason I have given I0 without with zero tax. It got posted. We'll
Yeah,
try
no, no,
again.
no problem. No problem. Yeah,
Yes.
still any problem, let me know. Because
Yes.
maximum it will be yellow warning only.
Yes, it was yellow, sir, but it was not seen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let me know tomorrow any problem. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, after that, when I tried to give the check number and FCH5 also, it did not take, sir. The error was like, this is not a payment document number, as we did
No.
not.
Okay. This question is for everybody. She is getting the
Uh,
message. She is
To
getting the
mention the
message.
document number there, sir.
because we are doing it for the invoice, right? We did not do F-53. It is saying that
No, without
this.
doing F-53, how you can do FCH5, ma?
In F-53, the payment
That dash
document
53
generated
to
that we
done.
had to give.
Then you can assign the check.
First, you need to
Payment
do F-53, na?
payment document is the
Correct or not?
prerequisite for check.
Prerequisite. Correct? Something you are missing, ma? So here, if you go to BRS, every step I have given clearly, right? Here, whenever you are issuing check, every time I mentioned this, correct? Yeah, here you see F-53 comes first. Then only you do FDH5, na? Without doing F-53, how you can do FCH5, ma? You cannot do, no? First do. Okay, generate the payment document, then only do FCH.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yeah, or there could be, suppose you are doing that, still the problem may come. Sometimes it will say it is not a payment document.
yeah,
Anybody faced such problem? Even after doing F-53 also, when you give 15 document, then also it will say this is not a payment document. Why?
Wrong payment document.
Mhm.
Wrong payment document.
No, it is right only, ZP only, KZ only, 15 series only. Still I am getting the problem. Hmm. Why?
It is already cleared, sir.
No, it is not cleared. Hmm.
Due to the number,
This is a real time issue. This is, yes, tell me. Hmm.
due to the number.
Maybe number
Huh?
series issue.
No. Hmm. So I'm giving perfectly, but still system says this is not a payment doc. Okay. Okay. Let me create that issue. Let us see. Let us discuss this. Sometimes we have to discuss this, such issues, otherwise I will forget later. Just 1 minute. Let me create that issue. Let us see. Mm.
The screen closed, sir.
Yeah, I'm creating the error. Right. So now, yeah. Do we have any open items, guys? Just what is our number? 79, na? Mhm. We have one 5,000 open item is there. 7th March. Okay, just one.
Hello, sir. Your screen is not visible for me.
Yeah. Intentionally, I did not share, ma. Okay, now this is FBL1 and this is positive open item. Probably it has come from cash journal, I think. Correct? Yeah, this is positive, na? Can I pay this? It's vendor line item positive. Can I pay?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No,
Can
you
I
can't.
pay this?
Pay. No.
You can't pay.
Positive. This is a vendor
Debit balance.
debit balance. It's positive. Okay. Yeah. Now we paid to vendor without kind of open item, something like that. Okay. Now, okay, this is cash payment, I believe. Let me check this document. Slash and 150033. The petty cash document. So cash has been received, has been paid to vendor, cash payment. Okay, no problem. What I'll do, I will post one invoice. Okay, my company code is ZAP. My vendor number 79. Invoice date today, that is 11th. Okay, amount is how much? Say 55,000. Expense account is 4,81,000. Put star here. Okay, star here. And I am posting it. Okay, post. Posted for what amount? 55,000 posted. So now I am going to F dash 53. F dash 53. I am giving the date. Right, I am giving the date. Let us use the check issue account only. Okay, for our comfort. She's getting the error there only, na 2,07,000 check issue account. Amount how much? Or I am using say bank account. Yeah, suppose. Yeah. Now amount how much I am using?
50,000.
55.
55,000.
50,000.
Yeah.
Okay,
55.
55, no problem. Now my 79 process open items, right? So I'm not selecting this. So 55 tallied. So I'm posting this. So what document type I will get for this?
KZ.
KZ. What series?
15.
15 series. Correct. Now can I issue the check now?
Yes, sir.
I will go to FCH5 and 150034 document. Next check number 118 I am issuing. Okay, present. This is the error I am talking about.
Yeah.
Why I am getting this error?
So can you check the HDFC bank account, GL account details, sir?
Okay, what is the problem there?
Relevant cash flow.
Relevant
Not
cash flow or something tick missed to tick there.
Okay, correct. So yes, so this problem is coming somewhere, no? Here,
Yeah.
here. So if this is not ticked, no, then it will not show.
Yes.
Understand? So this should be ticked. You understand, ma? Just check it whether you ticked this. So if this is not ticked also, it will show that error. Okay. So in one of the issues, what happened was this was also ticked. It was also ticked, but still I am getting that error. Why? So
It
in one of
may,
the case, it was ticked, but still I am getting that error. Now my issue is resolved, but this was not ticked. It was ticked, but still I was getting the error. What could be the reason?
check lot allotted to the house bank in the house bank FC 512.
Hmm. Okay, check lot. What could be the problem with check lot?
Bank account and check lot.
Huh. So the problem, we took
See,
up nearly 1 day. 1 day we couldn't understand. Everything was proper, everything was good, but system saying not a payment. What happened was they were having two bank accounts. Correct, two bank accounts. Naming was same. HDFC. Two bank accounts. Now one with one house bank different, another house bank different. Yeah, different place. Same HDFC. So what was happening? They have made the payment using one bank account, and check was being issued through another bank. You understand? No? Eh, eh, How can I make the payment from HDFC current account, issue the check related to savings bank? How is it correct? The transaction I posted using HDFC current account. Check I want to give the check related to recurring account. Is it correct? No, no.
No.
That was. So check lot created for recurring account. Document number posted through
Current.
current account. You understand? So the account number used to post the entry, na, this entry what we are seeing, na, see, when we are posting this entry, here the account number becomes important. This correct?
Yes.
So what they did was they used HDFC bank name was same, but here account number was different. Slight variation, right? So one the transaction they posted using current account, but the check lot was created when we are creating check lot. The check
If
lot
I
was
want to.
created for the recurring account. That's where the problem. You understand? This one, this account was the another account was. Got it? That was the issue. Okay. So this, this is the generally 99% of the cases in real time the case will come because of the they will create a new bank account without taking the relevant to cash. That's when this issue will come. It is not a payment document, it will say. But sometimes it may also happen that relevant to cash flow also ticket, but they are trying to issue the check from some other account. Correct? So in the course of creation of the accounts, na, they will use the same name. Account number different, naming will be same. That's where all the confusion will be. Correct? So the check lot, the check that they are issuing is through another bank account. Bank is the same, account is different. And if it was SBI bank, you can immediately spot out, okay, check issued through HDFC bank, the payment document created through HDFC bank, and check you are issuing of SBI bank. Immediately you can spot out. The problem generally comes when it is the same bank and you are using different account. That's where the problem will be. Okay? Right. Now, right. So now this is I want to reverse this entry. How to reverse this entry, guys?
F dash 80.
Yes, right, sir.
Huh?
F dash 80.
This is clearing document or not a clearing document,
FBR, yeah.
correct?
Yes.
Yeah. F.FB08. Yeah. Remember these T codes.
Sorry.
Normal reversal is FB08 150034. This you cannot reverse here because it is a clearing document. No?
Yes, sir.
Understand? Where I should use
FBRA.
FBR.
Yeah.
I just want to reverse this FBR. Okay, and okay, save it. Okay, done. Yeah. So remember this when the next time when this issue comes, na, you have to remember. You can discuss about this in the interview as well. So the error says it is not a payment document. Then you will say what is there and it is relevant to cash flow, na? Yes, you will say yes, it was relevant to cash flow, but it was ticket. But the problem was they were making the payment through one account and issuing the check through another account. Same bank. Okay. Yeah. Right. Next one. So now coming back to asset accounting, as an input tax indicator to non-taxable acquisitions, right? Okay, we are going slash and ORFA. We are going to integration with general ledger. Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions position. What is your company code? ZAPL
ZAPL.
and then give I0. Enter save. Next. Step number 3. Number 3 is Number 3 is this one. Assign chart of depreciation to company code. Note down. Assign chart of depreciation to company. Okay. Yeah. Note down. Assign chart of depreciation to company. Click on assign chart of depreciation. Click on this. What is your company code?
APL.
ZAPL. What is your chart of depreciation that you created?
ZAPL.
Same name, right?
Yes.
Sir, once go back, sir.
Yeah, you go to ORFA, correct? You go to organization structure, then you go to assign chart of depreciation to the company. Assign chart of depreciation to the company.
Yes.
Okay, click on this. Then you position yourself, that is your ZAPL. Chart of depreciation is also ZAPL. Okay, save. End. Right, so you created first step, you created the chart of depreciation, correct? Second step, you have defined the naming of it. Third, you deleted unnecessary depreciation areas. Then in assign input tax indicator to non-taxable acquisitions. Third one, you link your company code to your chart of. Okay, guys? Right. Step number 4. So step number 4, we don't do actually. We directly, okay, let me explain you. So 4 is there, 5 will be there, 6 will be there. Yeah. Then 7th one will be define asset classes. Right? Classes, as I told you, no? Like, land class, building
Yeah.
class, plant and
PM.
machinery class. Yeah, classes. We have to define the classes. Okay. Right. So assets are classified into different asset classes depending upon how we want to take their values into GL account. Okay. Right. So all assets are classified into asset classes, classified into asset classes depending upon how we want to take their values into different GL accounts. So if you want to take land and buildings into one account, then we create land and building class.
456 point.
456, just leave it space is there. We will give. I will give separate.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want land separate, building separate means, then land class separate, building class separate. You understand? If you want to take land and buildings together, then you create land and buildings class. You are able to understand? Depending upon how you want to show in your balance sheet in the GL, depending upon that many asset classes you will create. Background noise. Yeah. So okay guys, we'll stop here for today. Tomorrow we will talk about the creation of the asset classes. Okay? Right. Okay guys, thank you then. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ma.